All right, there we have it. Stitch Pink 2020, block 30. The final block has been made. Nice job, Debbie. That one is called Mother Hen.
Hi, I'm Debbie with Rocking Chair Quilts in Butler, Missouri, and we're here to do our last Stitch Pink block. Yay! It's called Mother Hen, and this one is fairly simple. Yay!
Need to end on a good note, don't we?
I know. So, the very first thing we're going to do is build the center of our block. So we're going to take the E square, and we're going to take the pink C rectangles. So we're really making a 9 patch with this. And we're going to take 4 A squares.
Hardest part of this one is going to be picking up the little blocks, huh?
Okay. So these 3 together, these 3 together, these 3, and then sew the rows together. And we'll be right, or you could do it these 3, these 3, these 3, however you choose to do it. Sew them to rows, sew your rows together, got your 9 patch, and we'll be back to do the rest.
All right.
Okay, we have our center of the block made. We're going to do the next part a little bit different, the way I'm going to lay it out. So we're going to make little units together, and it's going to be easier to lay out. So what we want to do is make 4 units with the A's and the C's. So we're going to do A, C, A. So 2 red squares on the end of a white rectangle. We're going to make 4 of those.
Okay.
And then we're going to make 8 little red and white square units.
Okay.
So I'm going to go sew those, and I'm going to come back and show you how you can lay it out.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Time to go sew.
Time to go sew. Okay. I have my ACA units and my AB units. So now we can pretty much lay out our block. So we're going to use our D rectangles also. So we're going to put these on this side of that center. And this one over here. And then down below. Good grief.
Once again, hardest part, getting the fabric part.
And I have fingernails. I think that would help. Now we're going to use our little AB. So we're always going to put that red, well, on this part, we're going to put the red square next to the pink rectangle. See, this just makes it a little bit easier than laying out little squares and rectangles. Okay, so we're going to sew these 2 together, sew them to the center of the block, sew these little ends onto the rectangles, and then sew. Is it wrong?
I don't think something's right.
What?
There's more that's supposed to be down here.
Not yet. I'm right here.
Oh, I thought you were going to lay out the whole block.
I am.
Okay.
But this goes on first.
All right. Ignore the lady behind the camera.
Okay. So you're going to sew this section together, these together, these together, these together. So you'll have 3 rows again. You'll sew those 3 rows together. Then
You'll do the part I wanted.
yes, we'll put these up here, and I'm going to flip that around. So then we'll be making a strip like that, and a strip like this.
I don't think so.
Nope. A strip like this. You're right. Okay. So pretend we have this sewn together. Then you'll sew these 3 together, these 3 together, and then sew those to the top and the bottom. And then your block will be complete.
All right. And we'll see you tomorrow to put the whole thing together.
Yes, I'm so excited.
All right.
All right, thanks for joining us.